Okay, so here are some central air conditioners at a friend's house in Virginia. This is the first video of central air conditioners that I filmed with the GoPro. And this is a Ruud high efficiency air conditioner. You can see the fan blade spinning 60 frames per second. And it has a scroll compressor inside. So there it is. And this is the compressor noise. It's really quiet. I'm gonna see if it says, oh here, let's see. It doesn't really say. I'm not sure if this is a heat pump or not, but I think it is. And here's a Trane XL14i. It's also running. This one is like silent. I can't even hear it. I'm not sure if you could be able to hear it, but this is what it sounds like. And I'm not sure, where does it say the model number and stuff? No, right here. Model number UTX4036B1 0008A, serial number 6264RS61F. And is this, oh, it's central cooling air conditioner. What about this one? It doesn't say, but I think it's also, but I'm pretty sure it's also a central cooling air conditioner. And these units over here are very quiet. So there are a lot more air conditioners. I think I could see, I did see a Trane over there, and there are two American Standard units right there. One of them is running. I don't know which one. Oh, it's both of them. So there are two American Standards running, and then actually let's go down here. Like, if you look over there, there are two Carriers, and there are two Goodman heat pumps over there, and I think one of them must be running. But I don't really want to take a closer look because that's trespassing. Two more Goodman units all the way over there. I'm not sure if you can see. And then there's a Carrier over there, and I don't know what kind of air conditioner they have, but there are two. I think those are air cool. Yeah, they are air cool ones right there. And so this area right here is basically a heat pump heaven. Yeah. I'm not sure if I want to take a closer look. Like, they're not running right now, so maybe not. And these two units again. I think now this one is off, and this one is still running. Maybe this one is only on for a short amount of time, but here they are again. This Ruud running, and then that one, and some other air conditioners. And that was my first central air conditioner video with the GoPro. Hope you enjoyed the video.